Welcome to KDP Low Competition Niches Daily. Today, we uncover a fresh, high-potential niche with strong demand and low competition. Here's your daily edge.
Hook. If you sell digital printables or run an Etsy shop, your sales, fees, and tax deductions are probably scattered across platforms, spreadsheets, and email threads. And many sellers prefer a simple printed ledger they can hold while sorting receipts. That preference creates an evergreen, low-competition, medium content opportunity, an income and tax ledger designed specifically for Etsy and digital product sellers. Data doesn't lie. Creators will pay for usable bookkeeping templates that save time and reduce stress.
Promise. In the next 9 minutes, I'll deliver a concise package, a clear product blueprint for the ledger, concrete demand signals, and a quick competitor gap analysis. 3 copy-paste AI and research prompts you can run immediately. Exact KDP pricing and profit math with bundling ideas. A 48-hour publish checklist to validate the idea, and realistic risk mitigations so you can publish without overpromising. Hidden gem niches? Let's get practical.
Section 1. Niche Deep Dive. The product is an income and tax ledger tailored to micro-business owners who sell on Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, or as printable digital products. Imagine a 90 to 120-page paperback with monthly sales ledger pages, per platform fee and refund calculators, product-level royalty and listing records, a deductible expense tracker, and a 1-page 1099 summary ready for tax time. The buyer persona is a solo creative solopreneur, average age 25 to 45, values time-saving tools, often handles bookkeeping themselves, and is willing to pay for a physical notebook they can pair with receipts. The buyer journey is short. Discover via Amazon search or Etsy planner sections. Evaluate a clear interior screenshot and feature list, then purchase as a pragmatic tool rather than a novelty. Competitor gap analysis. Broad bookkeeping journals exist, but few target Etsy and digital printable sellers specifically, and even fewer include calculators and product-level royalty records. Demand signals we've seen across forums and keyword gaps. Etsy seller Facebook groups frequently ask for printable bookkeeping templates. Etsy search returns low-quality digital download ledgers. Amazon shows moderate search volume for shop ledger and low saturation for long-tail phrases like Etsy seller ledger and digital products income tracker. That combination, consistent pain plus keyword gaps plus buyer willingness, makes this a convert-ready medium content product.
Section 2. Validation method and paste-ready AI prompts. Validate fast with 3 checks. First, Amazon keyword scan. Use KDP Rocket, Publisher Rocket, or an Amazon search to test 10 long-tail phrases and inspect competing ASINs. Second, community signal scrape. Scan Etsy seller groups and forums for repeated bookkeeping questions and count requests for printable ledgers. Third, low competition keyword check. Ask an LLM to analyze search difficulty and suggested long-tail variants you can rank for quickly. Here are 3 prompts you can paste now. Prompt 1. Amazon keyword scan. Paste to an LLM or your research tool. Act as an Amazon KDP niche researcher. For the niche Etsy seller ledger and digital printables income tracker, list 12 long-tail keyword phrases buyers would use. Estimate competition level for each as high, medium, low, based on number of existing ASINs and surface-level listing quality, and recommend the top 3 phrases to target in title plus subtitle.
Prompt 2. Community demand scrape. Use in a research tool or instruct a human. Search Etsy seller forums, Reddit r Etsy, and major Facebook groups for the past 12 months. Extract 5 recurring bookkeeping questions sellers ask about fees, refunds, and tax tracking. Report exact quotes, thread counts, and a short assessment of buyer urgency.
Prompt 3. Low competition keyword generator for LLM. You're a keyword strategist. Produce 20 low-competition long-tail keywords and suggested Amazon product titles for a physical income and tax ledger for Etsy and digital product sellers. Prioritize buyer intent phrases like ready for tax, monthly income tracker, and Etsy fees calculator. Mark each keyword as high, medium, or low competition and include suggested subtitle language.
Profit potential breakdown. Pricing strategy and math are straightforward. Target list price $9.99 to $12.99 for a 90 to 120 page black and white paperback. KDP royalty formula for paperbacks is 60% of list price minus printing cost. Example math. At $9.99, 60% equals $5.99. If printing cost is approximately $2.50 for a 100-page B&W book, net royalty is about $3.49 per sale. With a simple digital upsell, a downloadable spreadsheet with automated calculators, price the bundle or add-on at $3.99 to $6.99. Low-cost cover template packs or pre-made spreadsheet variants can be priced $2.99 to $4.99 as micro upsells. Expected ROI scenarios. Sell 10 units per month at $9.99 equals $35 per month net. 50 units equals $175 per month net. Add spreadsheet upsells converting at 10% of buyers increases net by $4 to $20 per month in the low scenario and $20 to $100 in the higher scenario. The leverage comes from repeatable low-effort interiors, decent price points, and high buyer value. Creators are willing to pay for time-saving tools.
Design and medium content specs. Interior must be functional and professional. Include these page templates: a 1-page year-at-a-glance summary, 12 monthly ledger spreads, income columns per platform, platform fees, refunds, net income, per platform fee and refund calculator pages, product level royalty or listing performance logs, deductible expense tracker with categories and receipt reference codes, and a final 1-page 1099 ready summary that aggregates gross income and reportable payments. Recommended interior length 90 to 120 pages depending on spacing and included calculators. Layout tips. Use consistent table grids, 8 to 10 point label text with comfortable writing space. Include QR codes linking to the spreadsheet upsell, and add a clear disclaimer page stating this is a bookkeeping tool, not tax advice. Keep screenshots of interior in your Amazon listing. Buyers need to see the tables to convert.
Immediate action step. 48-hour publish checklist. 1. Create a minimal interior template. Use a 6x9 or 7x10 trim with 1 monthly ledger, 1 fee calculator, and a 1099 summary. Export as PDF. 2. Design a simple cover and 3 interior screenshots. 3. Draft an Amazon listing with 3 target long-tail keywords in the title and subtitle. 4. Build a tiny landing page or pre-order test. A simple Gumroad product page or an embedded buy button on a link in bio page works. 5. Run the 3 validation prompts I gave and check community signals. If you see even modest interest or landing page clicks, upload the paperback as a test listing and track conversions. You'll learn faster than waiting to perfect every page. Publish smarter, not harder.
Risks and mitigations. Be honest about 2 main risks. First, implied tax or legal advice. Avoid this entirely. Include a clear, prominent disclaimer inside the book. This book is a bookkeeping tool and does not provide tax, legal, or accounting advice. Consult a qualified professional for specific guidance. Second, audience size. Etsy and digital sellers are a smaller segment than general journal buyers. Mitigate by broadening keywords to micro-business owners and platform variants like Etsy, Shopify, Gumroad, and by offering digital spreadsheet bundles for buyers who prefer online tools. Third, preference for spreadsheets. Counter this with a low-cost digital upsell and a QR code in the print book so buyers can immediately access the spreadsheet version. These mitigation steps keep you compliant and expand your addressable market while preserving value. CTA. If you want help validating this specific ledger, a 48-hour validation sprint where I review your title, keywords, interior screenshots, and a tiny landing page, I offer a quick turn service to get a publish-ready listing and conversion feedback. For done-for-you listings, including an interior build, cover pack, and listing optimization, check the author services link in this episode's show notes and book a slot. I run limited sprints each week. Here's your daily edge. Act small, test fast, and iterate. Publish smarter,
profit faster.
That's your actionable niche for today. Apply it and watch your author business grow. See you tomorrow. Publish smarter, profit faster.